Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Reach level 60, own the metal cooler content, and unlock the PQ that drops metal cooler parts. Once done, open the parallel quest list and select the metal cooler encounter. It often requires specific story progress, so check your quest filters. Equip recommended skills and a fast warp set to control the fight. You want mobility and burst damage. This reduces time per run and increases chance to trigger the rare drop. Begin the PQ immediately and focus the fight. Once you're in the farming rhythm, optimize each run. Activate any drop rate boosts, group with reliable teammates, and choose skills that cancel or stagger metal cooler. You want rapid clear times. Short runs equal more attempts and more chances at the suit drop. Rotate breaks to avoid mistakes. Make sure to finish the PQ objective fully so the loot table triggers. If you get fragments instead of a full suit, track fragment counts and continue. Many players report patience pays off, as RNG evens out over multiple runs. You finish by collecting the suit from post-quest rewards or exchanging accumulated fragments with the PQ vendor. Make sure your inventory has space before exit. Once equipped, tweak your attribute allocation and test combos in the training room so you understand how the suit alters your playstyle. If after many attempts you still see no drops, verify the DLC is installed, relog, clear cache, and retry with teammates. This often resolves sync issues that block rare rewards. Persistence and optimized runs close the deal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.